Hi, Ricky Johnson with TechSoft 3D here. Today I want to introduce you to an online tutorial that shows you some key concepts to help you build your own model streaming service on top of the HOOPS Communicator Stream Cache server. If you have large data sets, using the Stream Cache server can greatly help minimize memory usage and ensure a fast first-time interaction in the browser. This tutorial covers both CSR or client-side rendering and SSR or server-side rendering. With SSR, all of the rendering is happening on the server rather than the client, which allows for very complex models to be visualized and interacted with even on resource-limited devices like smartphones. The streaming service tutorial covers the fundamental building blocks of managing multiple streaming sessions using Node.js. This includes spawning multiple streaming servers, liveliness updates, monitoring server loads, and much more. Links to the tutorial, finished project, and examples shown in this video are linked in the description below. Should you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to post them in our community forum. Additionally, if you haven't already, be sure to sign up for an evaluation so that you can get started working on your own projects. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the page to be notified about any new content put out by TechSoft 3D.